Hello students, in this lecture we see the multiple choice question in the chapter trigonometric function in our textbook. Okay, first before the solving the MCQs we see the basic concept of the trigonometric function, that is we learn in class 11 basic trigonometric and their formulas. Okay, here in the class 11 we see the definition, the ratios of the trigonometric functions, that is the sine ratio, cos ratio, tan, cot, sec and cosec, their identities, and the sum and difference of the angles, allied angles, then conversion of the sum or difference into product, or the conversion of product into sum or difference of the trigonometric function. Okay, such type of the formula we see already in class 11. Okay, now in a class 12 we see the solution of the trigonometric equations and the solution of the triangles, that is the trigonometric equations. There are the two types of the solution. It is the first principal solution and the second is a general solution. Okay, in the principal solution, okay, the solution satisfy in between the 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and general solution, it is the infinite values of the angle. After that we see the solution of the triangle. First we see the polar coordinate and the Cartesian coordinate, and then after sine rule, cosine rule and the projection rule and their applications, that is the half angle formulae, area of the triangle, Napier's analogy. After that we see the inverse trigonometric function and their properties. Okay, to solve MCQs in this chapter, first we clear all the concepts, and here we need to remember all formulas of the trigonometric functions. Okay, when we solve the MCQ, okay, if we clear all the concept, then we can directly write the answer of this MCQ. And in the multiple choice question, we not necessary to write the description of this. Here we write only the answer. Okay, and in the CET exam or the JEE, that is the online exam, so we click only the option. Okay, now here the first MCQ in our miscellaneous exercise 3, the principal solution of the equation sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here we want to find the principal solution. Okay, and here we know that the principal solution in between it is a 0 less than or equal to, suppose here theta, and less than 2 pi. Okay, here if theta is a solution, then theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, see carefully this. Now here the given that sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, but we know that for the acute angle 1 by 2 is a value of the sine 30, but here we know it is a sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, but here given it is a minus 1 by 2, so we can write it as a minus sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. See carefully this. Okay, and now here we use the formula of the allied angle when it is a minus sine theta. Okay, minus sine theta, see carefully, when it is a minus sine theta, sine is a minus in the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Minus sine theta is equal to, it is a sine pi plus theta and sine 2 pi minus theta. See carefully this. Minus sine theta, it is sine pi plus theta and sine 2 pi minus theta. So this formula here we use. Here it is a minus sine theta is equal to sine pi plus theta, and it is sine 2 pi minus theta. Okay, see carefully this. Now here theta we take, it is a pi by 6, so it is a minus sine pi by 6 is equal to sine pi plus pi by 6, and here sine 2 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, see carefully. Here this theta we replace by the pi by 6, and here minus sine pi by 6. Here it is a minus sine pi by 6. Here it is a minus pi by 6. Okay, here minus sine pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is a minus pi by 6. It is a minus 1 by 2. And here it is a sine 7 pi by 6 is equal to sine, here it is 11 pi by 6, and here minus 1 by 2, it is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 means sine theta, therefore sine theta is equal to sine 7 pi by 6 and sine 11 pi by 6. And here the 7 pi by 6 means pi plus pi by 6, which is less than 2 pi, and here it is 2 pi minus pi by 6 is also less than 2 pi. That means these two angles belongs to, it is a 0 to, here it is a 2 pi. It is an open interval. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. See carefully this. Okay, that means our answer is 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6, it is the answer B. Okay, see carefully this. Now we see the next. Again here the second question, see carefully. The principal solution of the trigonometric equation cot theta is equal to under root 3. Here the given trigonometric equation, it is cot theta is equal to under root 3. Here it is a one solution is directly we can write, it is under root 3, that is a cot pi by 6 is equal to under root 3. Here it is a cot pi by 6 is equal to under root 3. But here it is, we know that the cot pi by 6, it is under root 3. Okay, and then we know the formula of the allied angle, it is a cot theta. Okay, see carefully. Cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cot pi minus theta. So it is a pi plus theta. And then here we write cot pi by 6 is equal to cot pi plus pi by 6. And here cot pi by 6, it is under root 3. Then it is a cot pi by 6 is equal to cot 7 pi by 6 is equal to under root 3, it is a cot theta. That means theta is equal to pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. Here theta is equal to pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. Here it is option number A. Okay, see carefully. And both angles belongs to this interval 0, 2 pi. It is in between 0, 2 pi, and it is also in between pi plus pi by 6. It is between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now the next. Here find the general solution of sec x is equal to root 2. Here we want to find the general solution. See carefully. The given equation, it is sec x. Sec x is equal to under root 2. We want to find the value of this x. Okay. Here the general solution. Okay. Here we convert this sec into cos. Therefore it is cos x is equal to 1 by under root 2. Okay. It is the sec and cos are the reciprocals of each other. Then cos x is equal to 1 by under root 2. Then we write it is a cos x is equal to 1 by under root 2. Therefore we can write it is a cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, it is 1 by under root 2. And then it is in the form of, here we find the general solution. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Okay, we know that here cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This gives the solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus this alpha. Okay, and here it is x. The solution of this trigonometric equation, see carefully by using this formula. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4, and it is a general solution of this equation. Here 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4, option A. See carefully this. Now the next. Next, the question number 4. Again here we find the value of theta, that is the general solution. See carefully the question. If cos p theta is equal to cos q theta and p and q are not equal to, then we find here it is given that cos p theta is equal to cos q theta. Okay, and here to find the solution of this we know to the general solution, we know the formula. Here it is a cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This gives theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, here we consider p theta, it is a theta, and q theta, it is alpha. Therefore, the general solution p theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus q theta. See carefully this. P theta is equal to, here theta, it is theta, alpha, it is a q theta. Therefore, the general solution cos theta is equal to cos alpha, it is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here it is a p theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus q theta, this q theta. We want to find the value of q. Therefore, we write it is a p theta, and then it is a plus or minus q theta is equal to 2n pi. This plus or minus q theta we write in the LHS. Now theta get common, then it is p plus or minus q is equal to 2n pi, and then the solution of this theta is equal to 2n pi is equal to p plus or minus q. It is a general solution of this equation by using the formula, and here the answer theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus upon p plus or minus q. Here it is again option number A. See carefully, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now the question number 5th. Here, see carefully the question. If the polar coordinates of a point are 2, pi by 4. Here, the given that the polar coordinate, that means given that r, theta is equal to, here it is 2, pi by 4. Here, r, theta, it is a given. We want to find the Cartesian coordinate, that is x, y. Here, x, y, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and here it is r and here it is a theta. Therefore, x is equal to r 2 into cos pi by 4 and y is equal to 2 into sin pi by 4. Okay. Then x is equal to 2 into 1 by under root 2, 2 into 1 by under root 2, and y is equal to again 2 into 1 by under root 2 sin pi by 4, and here it is x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to again root 2. That means the Cartesian coordinate x, y, it is root 2, root 2. Okay, here, and root 2, root 2, here it is option D. Okay, see carefully this. Now the next question number 6. Here, see carefully the question number 6. If under root 3 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1, then the general value of this x. Okay, that means here again from this trigonometric equation we want to find the general solution. Okay, here the given trigonometric equation, it is in the form under root 3 cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. Okay. Here this equation is in the form, see carefully, a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. Here, now here we divide both sides by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, here divide throughout equation, and therefore we write it is a upon under root a square plus b square cos x plus b upon under root a square plus b square sin x, and here it is a c upon under root a square plus b square. Okay, see carefully. Now here we calculate this. Here a it is a under root 3 and b is equal to minus 1. So we divide throughout by under root a square plus b square. Under root a square, it is a 3 plus 1, that is 4. That means 2. Here we divide by 2. Okay, then it is a 3 upon under root 3 upon 2 cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we convert this expression in the LHS in terms of sine or cos. Okay, here it is a minus, it is cos, so this root 3 by 2 we write in the form of the cos. Okay, root 3 by 2, here it is a cos pi by 6 into cos x. Again 1 by 2, it is a sine pi by 6, sine pi by 6 into sine x. Okay. And here this 1 by 2 we convert into sine or cos. Okay, here first we express in terms of sine or cos. Here it is a sine A, it is a cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. That means here we use the cos A plus B formula. So here we write cos pi by 6 plus x, and here in the LHS there is a cos, so in the RHS we write also in terms of the cos, and therefore it is a cos pi by 6, so it is a 1 by 2 cos pi by 3. Okay, see carefully this. And now here it is a cos theta, we use the formula, general solution, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This gives theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here it is a theta and here it is alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. It is a theta, therefore it is a pi by 6 plus x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. And here x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 and minus pi by 6. Okay, and here in the option 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6, here it is option C. Okay, see carefully, it is option C. Now the next, see carefully this. In triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 45, angle B is equal to 60 degree, then the ratio of its side. Okay, when we find the ratio of the sides of the triangle, then here we use the sine rule. Okay, sine rule, it is a upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. Here small ABC. Okay, here it is a sine rule. Okay, A upon sine A, B upon sine B, and C upon sine C. It is a sine rule. Okay, small ABC are the length of sides of triangle and capital ABC are the angles. Okay, now here we want to find the ratio of its sides. The given that two angles are the given. Here it is a given angle A is equal to 45 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, here therefore in triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and therefore we directly write it is a 45 60, 45 60, it is 105 minus 180, therefore angle C is equal to 75 degree. Okay, here we know all these three angles. Then by using the sine rule, okay, we write, therefore we write A upon sine A. Okay, sine A, it is a sine 45 is equal to B upon sine B, that is a 60, and is equal to C upon sine 75. Okay, here sine it is a sine 45, sine 60, we directly write the values of this. Sine 45 it is a 1 by under root 2 and sine 60 it is a root 3 by 2. But here we don't know directly the sine 75. So first find this value, that is a sine 75. Therefore here it is a, first we find the sine 75. Now it is a sine 75 degree is equal to, we write sine, that is a 45 degree plus 30 degree or 30 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, here it is a 30 degree plus 45 degree, and here we use the sine A plus B, then it is sine A cos B plus cos A into sine B. Okay, here we use the formula sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now calculate then it is 1 by 2 into 1 by under root 2. It is a sine 30 and it is a cos 45 plus cos 30. Okay, cos 30 it is a root 3 by 2 and into 1 by under root. Okay, here it is a 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, sine 45 degree. Here it is a sine 75 degree. It is 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 under root 2. It is the value of this. Okay, now we put all these value in this. Okay, and therefore here a upon it is a sine 45. Okay, sine 45, that means 1 by under root 2 is equal to b upon under root 3 by 2, and here it is a c upon 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 root 2. See carefully this. A upon sine 45, b upon sine 60 and c upon sine 75. Then it is a ratio of these sides, a each to b each to c. This is equal to, you can write 1 by under root 2 each to root 3 by 2 each to 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 root 2. See carefully, it is a ratio of its sides. Okay, but here this ratio is not given in the option. Okay, so here we multiply all these 3 by it is a 2 root 2. Okay, when we multiply this a each to b each to c, when we multiply this by 2 root 2, here we get 2. When we multiply here 2 root 2, then 2 to get cancelled, root 2 into root 3, it is a root 6. When we multiply by 2 root 2, here root 2 cancel, here 2. Here we multiply by 2 root 2, 2 to get cancelled, root 2 into root 3, it is root 6. And here multiply by 2 root 2, then 2 root 2, 2 root 2 get cancelled, it is a 1 plus under root 3. And here it is a ratio of a is to b is to c, that is the ratio of its sides. 2 is to under root 6 is to 1 plus under root 3. 2 is to under root 6 plus is to root 3 plus 1. Okay, or 1 plus root 3. Here it is option A. Okay, see carefully this option. Option A is a correct answer. Now the next, see carefully, here is the sine rule and this is the sine rule. Now see carefully the next question. Question number 8. In triangle ABC, if c square plus a square plus b square is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to, okay, here it is a given that c square plus a square minus b square is equal to AC. See carefully in the question that is a given and we want to find the angle. Okay, here when we want to find the angle, we use the cosine rule, that is a cos A, cos B and cos C. Here we want to find the angle B, so here we use the cosine rule, that is cos B, and cos B is, it is a square plus c square minus b square, it is a cosine rule, upon 2ac. Okay, and therefore it is a cos B is equal to, see carefully, it is a cosine rule, cos a square plus c square minus b square, that is a c square plus a square minus b square is equal to AC. It is given in the question. Okay, that means the value of this, it is a AC upon 2AC. Value of this a square plus c square minus b square, it is AC. AC get cancelled, therefore cos B is equal to 1 by 2 and therefore the angle B is equal to, here it is a 1 by 2. Okay, therefore it is a 60, that means pi by 3. Angle B is equal to pi by 3 and here it is option B. See carefully. Okay, here we directly write here it is a cosine rule and here is the given relation, it is AC. AC get cancelled, it is 1 by 2. Now again, next the question number 9. In triangle ABC, the given relation, it is AC cos B minus BC cos A. Again here we use the cosine rule. Okay, here it is a given AC into cos A minus BC sorry, AC into cos B here. And it is a cos A. Okay, now we calculate. Here put the value of cos B and cos C. Therefore, it is a AC, and by cosine rule, cos B is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. It is the value of cos B minus BC into, again here we use the cosine rule, cos A. Cos A, it is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Then AC get cancelled. It is a square plus C square minus B square upon 2 minus B square plus C square minus A square upon 2. Here BC get cancelled. Now here denominator is same. We take the subtraction. Therefore it is A square plus C square minus B square. Here it is a minus, so it is minus and it is plus. Minus B square minus C square and plus A square upon 2. Okay, see carefully this. Then A square and this A square, it is a 2A square. C square get cancelled. Then minus 2B square and upon 2. Then 2 take common and get cancelled. It is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. It is option A. Okay, see carefully. Here we use the cosine rule. Cos B and it is cos A, and then straight calculation. Now the question number 10 here. If a triangle, in a triangle the angles are in arithmetic progression and the ratio of sides, that is a B is to C, is equal to root 3 is to root 2, then we want to find the angle A. Okay, here see carefully. Now in triangle ABC, angles A, B and C are in arithmetic progression. Okay, then we know that it is a 2B is equal to A plus C. Here from the arithmetic progression we write this. Now in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC it is a plus B plus C is equal to 180. Okay, and here A plus C is equal to 2B. Therefore we write 2B plus B is equal to pi. See carefully. 2B is equal to A plus C. This A plus C, it is a 2B, and therefore 3B is equal to pi. Therefore B is equal to, it is a pi by 3. That means B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, here we know the one angle, but we want to find the angle A. Okay, to find the angle A, there is a again given one condition, the ratio of sides. Okay, here B is to C is equal to, B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2. Okay, then by sine rule we write B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Okay, and here B angle, here we already find, here we find the angle C, and using the angle B and C, here A plus B plus C is equal to pi, we find the angle A. Okay, now here the ratio B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2. Therefore we can write here root 3 upon sine B, and sine B is a pi by 3 is equal to root 2 upon sine C. Okay, then root 3 upon sine B, it is a root 3 by 2 is equal to root 2 upon sine C. Take the calculation. Okay, now it is a root 3 cancel, it is a 1 upon 1 by 2, that means it is a 2 is equal to root 2 upon sine C. Okay, root 3 get cancelled. Here 1 by 2 we write in the numerator, and therefore sine C is equal to 2 upon root 2 upon 2. Okay, that means 1 by root 2. Okay, and therefore the angle C is equal to pi by 4. Okay, see carefully this. It is B angle pi by 3, that is 60. It is a pi by 4, it is a 45. Okay, 60 plus 45, it is a 105. Then the angle A, it is a 75. Okay, therefore it is A plus B plus C is equal to 180. That means A plus 60 plus 45 is equal to 180, and then it is A is equal to 75 degree. Okay. A is equal to 75. Here it is the option C, 75 degree. Okay. Now the next question. Now the question number 11, cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to, here we want to find the value of the cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Here cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6, we want to find the value of this. Here we know that the property of the cos inverse, here it is a cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, but here the angle x is in the principal value branch, that is x belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, now here it is a cos inverse of cos x, it is a 7 pi by 6, but see carefully, it is a 7 pi by 6, 7, it is a 7 by 6, that means 1 point something, that means the greater than pi. Okay, but here for using this property, it is a x in the interval of 0 to pi. So first here convert this angle is a less than pi by using the allied angle. Here we cannot be used directly use this property because this angle not in the principal value branch. Okay, here it is a 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, therefore now to use the allied angle cos theta. Okay, cos theta, the formula of the cos theta is equal to, again cos theta is in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. In the second and third, the cos will be negative. Okay, therefore here we use the formula, it is a cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, 2 pi minus theta, and here the angle it is pi by 7 pi by 6. Therefore first we write here it is a 2 pi minus 7 pi by 6, and then it is a 12 minus 7. It is a 5 pi by 6. Okay, therefore this we can write it is a cos inverse of cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. Okay, here 7 pi by 6 is equal to 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6, and then it is cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 6, and here this pi by 6 belongs to the interval 0 comma pi, and therefore here we write pi by 6 which is belongs to 0 comma pi, and here it is the answer. Now option it is a B. Okay, see carefully, 5 pi by 6. Now the next question number 12. See carefully, the question number 12, the value of the cot of tan inverse 2x plus cot tan inverse 2x plus cot inverse 2x. Again here it is a cot of tan inverse 2x plus cot inverse 2x. Okay, we want to find the value of this. Again here we use the property, that is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. It is a property. Now here it is cot pi by 2, and cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. Here simple question, without calculation we can directly write the answer of this question. Okay, cot tan inverse of 2x plus cot inverse of 2x, it is a pi by 2, and cot pi by 2 it is 0. Calculation न करता तुम्हाला हे आन्सर डायरेक्टच लिहिता येते, ऑप्शन ए. ओके, नाव त्याच्यानंतर प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू Next, question number 13. The principal value of the sine inverse under root minus under root 3 by 2. Here we want to find the principal value. Principal value of sine inverse minus under root 3 by 2. Here the principal value branch of this sine inverse, it is principal value branch, it is a minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, it is a principal value branch of the sine inverse. Here it is a minus under root 3. See carefully, it is a minus under root 3. We want to find the value of this sine, it is a minus under root 3. Here let we take x is equal to sine inverse of minus under root 3 by 2. Then sine x is equal to minus under root 3. Minus under root 3 by 2. Here the principal value branch of sine inverse, it is a minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. The root 3 by 2, it is a value of the sine 60, and minus root 3 by 2, it is a value of the sine minus 60. Okay, see carefully this. Sine x is equal to minus sine pi by 3, and here we use sine x is equal to, it is a minus, we can write sine minus pi by 3. Okay, and here minus pi by 3 belong to this interval, therefore x is equal to minus pi by 3, and x, it is a sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. That means minus pi by 3, it is a principal value. It is a minus pi by 3. It is a principal value, and minus pi by 3, it is option D. Okay, see carefully this. Here the principal value branch minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here it is a minus under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2, it is a sine pi by 6. Then minus under root 3, here we use the trigonometric formula for the negative angle. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, see carefully this. Now the next question number 14. If sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13, then the sine inverse of equal to sine inverse of alpha, then find the value of alpha. Here given that the sine inverse of 4 by 5 and cos inverse of 12 by 13. Okay, see carefully. Here let x is equal to sine inverse of 4 by 5 and y is equal to cos inverse of cos inverse of 12 by 13. Okay, here we want to find the value of the alpha. See carefully the question. Sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to sine inverse of alpha. Okay, that means the calculation of the LHS converted into the sine. First it is x. Here we write the sine x is equal to 4 by 5 and cos y is equal to 12 by 13. Using the sine x, we find the value of cos x, and using sine y, sorry, it is cos y, we find the value of the sine y. From sine x we find cos x, from cos y we find sine x. Therefore it is a cos x is equal to under root of 1 minus sine square x, and then it is under root of 1 minus 16 by 25, and therefore the cos x is equal to 9 minus, it is 25 minus 16, it is a 9 by 25, 9 by 25, therefore it is a 3 by 5, it is a value of cos x. Same here, it is a sine y is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square y, then it is a under root of 1 minus 12 by square of the 12 by 13, 144 upon 169, and then it is sine y. See carefully, 169 minus 144, it is a 25 upon 169, that means 5 upon 13. Now here we get the values of sine x, cos x, sine y and cos y, and here we want to find the answer in terms of the sine. Okay, so here we use the formula. Now in terms of sine x plus y or x minus y, but here given condition it is a sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 5. So here we use the formula for the addition. Okay, if in case of in the example there will be the subtraction, then here we will the formula for the subtraction, that is x minus y, but here given it is a plus, so here we use the sine x plus y, and sine x plus y it is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Here we use the formula of sine a plus b. Okay, now put the all values. Sine x it is sine x 4 by 5 into cos y 12 by 13 plus cos x 3 by 5 into sin y 5 by 13, and then take the calculation. It is 48 upon 65 plus 15 upon 65, and then it is 48 plus it is a 63 upon 65. Okay, see carefully, it is the value of sin x plus y is equal to 63 upon 65, and then it is x plus y is equal to sine inverse of 63 by 65, and x it is a sine inverse 4 by 5 plus y it is a cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to, here we get sine inverse of 63 by 65, and that means we get the answer. It is as alpha is equal to 63 by 65. Okay, see carefully this calculation. Now the next question, see carefully this. X is equal to sine inverse of 4 by 5, y is equal to cos inverse of 12 by 5. Sin x is equal to 4 by 5. From the sin x we find the cos x, from cos y we find sin y, and then use sin x plus y, that means here we use the formula sin a plus b. In case of in the RHS, in this example given that the sine inverse of alpha, in case there is a cos inverse of alpha, then here we use the formula for the cos. Here it is a sin x plus y, use sin x plus y. In case in the RHS there is a cos inverse, then here we use the formula for the cos a plus b or cos a minus b. Now the next question, question number 15. If tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4, okay, then we want to find the value of x. Okay, tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. Then we want to find the value of x. Here we use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and therefore we write tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y, so it is 3x. Okay, here we use the formula, it is a tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where x and y greater than 0, then is equal to pi by 4. Then take the calculation. Tan inverse of, here it is a 5x upon 1 minus 6x square, and here it is a tan in pi by 4, we write is the tan inverse of 1, or this tan inverse we write in terms of the RHS, that is the tan. Okay, here it is a pi by 4, then we write this tan, that here, therefore tan pi by 4, and tan pi by 4 it is a 1. Here we write pi by 4 means tan inverse of 1, and then pi by 4 it is a tan inverse of 1, removing tan on both sides, tan inverse on both sides. 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. Then 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Then 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. We solve this quadratic equation. Here multiplication minus 6 and product is a plus 5, that is a plus 6 and minus 5, sorry, minus 1. Therefore it is a 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here factors. Okay, then take the 6x common, it is a x plus 1. Now here minus 1 common, again it is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then it is 6x minus 1 and x plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore 6x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 by 6 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, from this x is equal to 1 by 6 and here x is equal to minus 1. But here x is not equal to minus 1 because x and y both are greater than 0. Okay, therefore x is equal to, from this here x is equal to 1 by 6 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, here which is wrong. Therefore it is x is equal to 1 by 6. It is a correct answer. And x is equal to 1 by 6. It is option B. Okay, see carefully. X is equal to 1 by 6 because x and y both are greater than 0. For this formula it is a tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Now the next question. Question number 16. Here 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, we want to find the value of this. Okay, therefore here 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay. Here now here it is a 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3. So here we use tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. See carefully this. Okay, 2 tan inverse 1 by 3, it is a tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. And now again here we use the formula, that is we use the in the last example, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, here it is x and it is y, therefore it is tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. See carefully the calculation, and here it is a tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, now the calculation is tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is a 2 by 3, and here it is a 1 by 9, that means 9 minus 1, that means 8 by 3. Here it is a 2 by 3 upon 8 by 9 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Then again tan inverse of, here 2 to get cancel, here it is a 4, 3 get cancel, here it is a 3, that means 1 upon 4 by 3, then it is a 3 by 4, we write, plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. See carefully the calculation. 2, 4, 3, 3. Okay, that means 1 upon 4 by 3, 3 in the numerator, that is 3 by 4. Again we use this formula. Okay, it is x and it is y, therefore it is a tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, now take the calculation. It is a tan inverse of, here it is a 21, 7, it is addition, cross multiplication, 21 plus 4, 21, okay, plus 4, it is a 25 upon 28 whole to the upon. Again here it is a 3 upon 28. 28 minus 3, see carefully, it is a 28 subtraction, it is a 3 upon 28. 28 minus 3, 28 minus 3, it is a 25 upon 28, and then it is tan inverse of 1. 25, 25, 28, 28 cancel, and it is a pi by 4. Okay, tan inverse of 1, it is a pi by 4. Now here it is answer D, pi by 4. Okay. Now the next. Next again same example, it is a find the value of, see carefully this, tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Okay, here tan of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Okay, here first we find the value of this term. Okay, here 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Here it is tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Okay, see carefully this. Then again here is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Therefore it is a tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 upon 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 and minus pi by 4 as it is. Here we use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now take the calculation. Tan inverse of, here it is a 2 by 5 in the numerator, 1 plus 1, and it is a denominator same. Here it is a 1 by 25. So 25 minus 1, it is a 24 upon 25 minus pi by 4. Okay, then here it is 2 24, it is a 12, and 5, that means 1 upon 12 upon 5 we can write in the numerator, it is a 5 upon 12. See carefully this. Okay, 2 24, 5 25, this get cancelled. Here it is a 12 upon 5 we write in the numerator, and minus this pi by 4 we can write in the form of tan inverse of 1. And again here we use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. See carefully, it is a tan inverse of pi by 12, it is a tan inverse of 1, and then tan inverse of x, that means 5 by 12 minus 1 upon 1 plus 5 by 12 into 1. See carefully, here we use the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, and here we use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, x plus y upon 1 minus x into y, and there x minus y upon 1 plus x into y, and then take the calculation. Tan inverse of this, okay, 12, that means 5 minus 12, that means minus 12 by minus 7 by 12. 5 minus 12 upon 12, 5 minus 12, it is a minus 7 upon, it is a 5 by 12, that means 12 plus 5, 17 by 12, and then it is tan inverse of minus 7 upon, it is a 17. Okay, here it is our calculation, and then option is, sorry, here we want to find the value of this tan of this. Okay, it is value only the tan of this. Okay, then here tan of tan inverse. Okay, this value tan inverse of minus 7 by 17, it is value of this term. Okay, and therefore here we write the last tan inverse, that is tan inverse of minus 7 by 17 and is equal to minus 7 by 17. Okay, minus 7 by 17, it is option D. See carefully, this value only the value of this bracket term. Okay, and here tan inverse of minus 7 upon 17, tan inverse x is equal to x. Here is the property of the inverse trigonometric function. tan of tan inverse x is equal to x, and the value of this, it is tan inverse of minus 7 upon 17. Here we put tan inverse of minus 7 upon 17. Tan of tan inverse minus 7 upon 17, it is minus 7 upon 17, and it is, our answer is D. Okay, now the next. Next question, question number 18. See carefully, the principal value branch of sec inverse x. Okay, here it is a, we can directly write, check the option. Here the principal value of sec inverse x, it is in the option B, 0 comma pi except pi by 2. Okay, here it is a option number B, 0 comma pi except pi by 2. It is a principal value branch of the sec inverse. Okay, now the next question number 18. Cos inverse of tan 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, again same calculation as the previous examples. Here we want to find the cos of tan inverse of 1 by 2, so 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. Here we want to find the value of this cos of tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, now here we calculate this by using the formula cos of tan inverse. Here we use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Then it is cos of tan inverse, take the calculation, 2 5 by 6 upon 1 by 6, that means 6 minus 1, again it is a 5 by 6. Okay, and then it is cos inverse of, cos of tan inverse, it is 1, 5 by 6 get cancelled, cos inverse tan inverse of 1, it is pi by 4, and cos pi by 4, it is 1 by under root 2. See carefully, it is a simple calculation. Our answer, it is 1 by root 2 B. Okay, see carefully this. Now next. Now the question number 20. Here given that if tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta, then the general value of the theta, that means here we want to find the general solution. Okay, here it is a given that tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta. Okay, here we use the formula first, it is a tan A plus B plus C. Okay, see carefully, tan A plus B plus C, we know the tan A plus B, it is a tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, but here tan of A plus B plus C, then the formula, it is a tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, okay, pair of the two angle, minus tan A into tan C minus tan B into tan C. Okay, here are the three angles. Now in the given question, there are the given that the three angles, theta, 2 theta and 3 theta. Therefore we write this, it is a tan theta plus 2 theta plus 3 theta. Okay, now by this formula, it is a tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta minus tan theta tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta. A, B and C are replaced by theta, 2 theta and 3 theta upon it is 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta minus tan theta into tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta. It is a formula for the tan A plus B plus C. Now here it is given that it is a tan theta 1 theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta. It is a tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta. Therefore we write here it is a tan theta into tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta. Here it is a given condition tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta. Only replace these three terms into this. Now as it is a tan theta into tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta upon, but here upon this same term, okay, but here both are the same, therefore it is a 0. That means tan theta 2 theta 3 theta, that means it is a tan 6 theta is equal to 0. Tan 6 theta is equal to 0. That means here we use the general solution for the tan theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi. Okay, here the general solution tan theta is equal to 0, this gives theta is equal to n pi, and therefore 6 theta is equal to n pi, and therefore theta is equal to n pi by 6. It is our solution of this question. Theta is equal to n pi by 6, and here it is in the option B. Okay, see carefully. Here we use this formula. Okay. Now the last MCQ in this chapter. The last, see carefully this. If any triangle ABC, there is a given that A cos B is equal to B cos A. A cos B is equal to B cos A. Then the triangle is, okay. Here first we solve this equation. Here A cos B plus equal to B cos A. Okay. Here by sine rule A is equal to, by sine rule A is equal to K into sine A by sine rule. Okay, and here it is 1 minute cos B. Okay, ठीक है. Then it is cos B is equal to B, it is a K into sine B into cos A. It is cos A. Okay, here given that it is A cos B is equal to B cos A. Okay, it is A cos B is equal to B cos A. Okay, now K get cancelled, then we write sine A into cos B. Okay, is equal to this sine B into cos A. Okay, K get cancelled, then again here we write sine A into cos B minus this cos A into sine B is equal to 0, and here it is a formula for the sine A minus B is equal to 0, and sine A minus B is equal to 0. Therefore sine theta, that is sine 0 is equal to 0. That means the value of this is 0. Therefore A minus B is equal to 0, and then A is equal to B. And here in triangle, two angles are the same, then it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, that is option B. Okay, see carefully, it is a isosceles triangle.